Let's install Nuveon mHub. So we've created that virtual machine in Ubuntu. We installed Docker on it, and then we installed wido. So now with wido, I can install a Nuveon product. And I do this by creating an account. So there are two important shortcuts. So there's wido, which brings me to the home directory of wido, and wido, which brings me to the accounts directory, where all the mounted accounts directories will be in. So in order to create an account now, there's a command called wido create. And I simply now need a name for my account. Usually that's the client name or my test name for D1, D2, T3, like demo 1, demo 2, or whatever you want to use for that. And you need a port number. So since the accounts need a unique port, you have to figure out what accounts are already taken. So there's a wido ports command, which shows you all the taken ports from other accounts. But since I didn't create any accounts here, I can choose whatever I want. So I will choose something like 7001, and then I create an account which I will call Acme, like that famous fictional company. So wido create Acme, and then I will say 700 and then 1. Okay, and then I will give it the product name I want to use, and that's mHub. There are two products which you can choose from right now, which is Infuse, that's just a bare installation. mHub will install the mHub product with all its gardens. So I'm choosing that here, and now I can say wido URL Acme, and it will show you on which URL that will be hosted. But before I can host that, I have to run the Docker containers. So I say wido run Acme. Now the two Docker containers, the database container and the wiki container, which contains the Infuse installation and the web application, will be started. And then I get an URL presented, and I can hit Control and click, and then this will open that. So this will take a while, some few minutes, till the Docker containers are fully up. In the meanwhile, I can check the running container, so I can say wido ps, and it shows me that those two containers are already running, but it takes a while till the web server and all the services come up. And meanwhile, I'll pause the video. And here we go. After a while, we now have mHub installation.